Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to apply double strike through in Microsoft Word document. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. For example, you want to double strike these two words. So what you have to do is you need to select both words. So click on the home tab and under the font group you will see there's this small arrow. You need to click on that and you will go to the font section and you just see that there is a double strike through option is available. Tick mark this option and you will see that in the preview the double mark has been applied. You just need to click OK, and here you can see that now the double strike through has been applied. So if you want to remove double strike, what you have to do, again select these two words and go to the font group and click on this arrow again and uncheck this mark and uncheck this box and click OK, and the double strike is gone. So in this way you can easily double strike through in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.